Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Hope you guys are all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. And also, happy December! Nakakaloka diba? Ganun-ganun lang. Patapos na naman po ang taon. Parang pinaglalaroan lang tayo, diba? Nakakaloka! Anyway, for today's video, as you can tell from the title, nakasulat naman kasi, diba? Ang gagawin ko today is full face using Ever Bilena products. And obvious naman siguro guys, kitang-kita nyo naman siguro na iba na yung packaging ng mga products ngayon. And I believe parang 80 to 90% ng mga product bago na yung packaging and it looks amazing. Definitely compared before, mas slick ng tignan and mas professional, as in ang ganda. And that is actually one of the reasons kung bakit na-excite ako. And sakto guys, kasi I've been wanting to do a full face ulit. Parang gusto ko siyang ibalik. Dati kasi diba sobrang uso yung ganun, yung full face using one brand, especially nung mga around 2019-2018. And also marami din kasing brands pa na hindi ko nagagawa ng ganitong video like PYS, Revlon, CoverGirl, FS Cosmetics, as in ang dami. Kaya ayun guys, expect more one brand makeup video sa mga susunod na weeks or months. Ang plan ko kasi is at least once or twice a month ko siyang gawin. But anyway, ayun nga, today ito yung mga products na gagamitin natin and I guess yung gawin nating makeup look is yung something na medyo glam. Again, all of these products are from Ever Bilena but you will see some EB Advanced products as well. Wala na kasing EB Advanced, so basically Ever Bilena na lang or EB Pro. So parang pinag-combine na nila. And also guys, since this is the month of giving, we also have a giveaway. Kaya yun guys, if you want to win Ever Bilena products, all you have to do is of course watch the video until the end. And of course, i-follow nyo lang yung mechanics at the end of the video. For primer, ang gagamitin ko is the EB Advanced First Step Mattifying Primer. This one, unfortunately, hindi pa nila nasasabay sa bagong packaging but hopefully soon. I-warm up muna natin siya bago i-apply. Tapos ayan guys, ang gawin natin is spread lang natin siya sa mga areas na mabilis mag-oil up and visible yung pores. And for those of you na hindi pa nasusubukan ng product na to, basically yung feeling niya and texture sa skin is very similar sa BB Skin Pore Eraser tsaka Quick FX. Nakaka-fill in siya ng pores and also mattifying. But compared sa Quick FX, this one na-notice ko na mas lighter yung feeling niya sa skin. When it comes naman sa base, dalawa yung option na meron tayo today. First one is the All Day BB Cream and yung second is the All Day Liquid Foundation. Taray, di ba may options? And sobrang nakakatuwa guys kasi look, meron silang sachet ng foundation. And this one is only 75 pesos. For those of you na ayaw mag-commit pa sa full size, pwedeng-pwede to, or kaya kung magta-travel kayo kasi di ba sobrang handy and ang safe ng packaging. And nahihirapan ako mag-decide kasi I want to try the All Day BB Cream because ang tagal ko nang hindi nagagamit yung BB cream nila. Yung nasa white and purple packaging. That one is amazing, kaya lang ang tapang ng amoy, di ba? This one, by the way, is the whitening variant in the shade Oriental, which is also my shade sa dati. Kaya ayun, parang ang nostalgic niya. But as you can see, bago na yung packaging, mas maganda na. Sana hindi na matapang yung amoy. Medyo amoy mena. Ganun yung amoy na to. Swatch natin kasama ng foundation so that just in case na, pareho tayo ng shade, at least meron kayong reference. This one is the Ever Bilena All Day BB Cream in the shade Oriental, All Day Liquid Foundation in Porcelain, All Day Liquid Foundation in Silk, All Day Liquid Foundation in Oriental. Medyo naloka lang ako sa shade na Oriental kasi diba sa BB Cream, yellow siya and lighter. Tapos sa foundation naman, neutral siya and darker. Anong trip ito, Ever Bilena? Charot. I want to use this one so bad, kaya lang sad to say, pero feeling ko yung shade niya is not matched sa aking skin and ayoko namang mabutcher yung makeup ko today. Kaya ang gagamitin ko na lang is itong All Day Liquid Foundation in Porcelain, which is yung shade na ginagamit ko and yung tried and tested ko na. And to apply, ang first natin gawin is brush muna. And of course, it's already up to you kung gaano kakapal or kakonte yung ilalagay. It's all about personal preference anyway. But look at that. Diba? Grabe, ang ganda ng coverage niya. I mean, for a foundation na less than 200 pesos, definitely this is one of the best. Especially sa local scene. And yan, tignan nyo, sobrang minimal na lang ng mga nagpipicture ng imperfections. Kaya definitely, if you're looking for a high coverage foundation na kaya talagang makakover ng imperfections, mga dark spots, without breaking the bank, definitely guys, ito yung maire-recommend ko sa inyo. Ayan ha, tignan nyo, ito yung breakouts ko ngayon. Medyo nakakainis to be honest. But once you dab the foundation on top, diba, sobrang minimal na lang agad. If I'm not mistaken, they have like 5 or 6 shades. But hopefully soon, magdagdag pa sila because honestly, that's not enough. For concealer, ito yung gagamitin natin today. This is from EB Advanced and ito yung kanilang Fearless Concealer in Pearl and Vanilla. Actually, I haven't used this in quite some time kaya hindi ko sure kung ano ba yung feeling ko dito. So basically, sa part na to guys, parang revisit siya and yung shade na gagamitin ko is si Vanilla. Actually, feeling ko hindi ko to masyado nagustuhan. I mean, so-so lang siya. Sana maganda. Ano po? Feeling ko dark siya. Haluan natin ng pearl. Yung vanilla kasi yellow undertone tapos etong pearl parang neutral siya or medyo may pagka-pink. Ayan. Mas perfect kapag may halo nitong pearl. And also here, lagay tayo. feeling ko alam ko na kung bakit hindi ko siya ginagamit. It is too oily for my preference, for my liking. Mas prefer ko kasi yung mga concealer na matte yung finish or kaya semi-matte. This one, as you can see, sobrang kintab niya talaga. So, if you have oily skin, definitely mabilis siyang magkikrease. But if you have dry under eye, this one is really good kasi hydrating siya. And in terms of coverage, it is light. I know my skin, especially kapag ka nag-oil up, and this is definitely one of those products na hindi talaga compatible sa skin ko. Pero in fairness naman guys, brightening siya. So, go na, ilaban na natin to. Tsaka wala naman ako ibang option. So, anong gagawin ko, diba? But hopefully soon, maglabas sila ng concealer na yung formula is very close or compatible doon sa all-day foundation kasi feeling ko sobrang pasabog. Unfortunately, Ever Bilena don't have a loose powder yet, which is kinda actually surprising, di ba? Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but sana soon gumawa sila. Kaya eto na lang yung gagamitin ko, yung She Glam Insta-Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder in the shade Bisque. Tsaka di ba nga, sobrang moist nung ginamit natin concealer, kaya hindi pwedeng hindi ako mag-bake. Panigurado, magkikrease siya. For the rest of my face, ito yung gagamitin natin from Ever Bilena. This one is the EB Matte Two-Way Cake Powder Foundation. And this one is in the shade Matte Fair Oriental. Ang ganda ng box, grabe. This is how the new compact looks like. And I actually have the old one kasi favorite ko siya, kaya meron dito. Ayan guys, ito yung difference ng mga product. This is the old packaging and ito yung bago. And as you can see, definitely mas maganda yung bago. In terms of size, actually very similar lang sila. Ang naiba lang this time is before kasi para siyang phone, di ba, na ganito. Yung ngayon kasi, as you can see, pahiga na siya. Ayan, di ba? Mas sleek, mas nice tignan. And same lang naman ang amount of product, 9 grams. Anyway, so to apply this one, gamit tayo ng large fluffy brush. This one is from OVW and sobrang nice niya guys for powder. And this one I love using kasi meron siyang coverage. Kaya kapag ka naka full glam kayo or kaya gusto nyong mag-add pa ng coverage sa base, sobrang perfect niyang gamitin. Aside from that, actually pwede nyo din itong gamitin kapag ka nag-tinted sunscreen kayo tapos gusto nyong iset siya. Maganda siya for that. This one I have been using for so long. Like, yung white pa na packaging dati, doon pa ako nag-start. That was like my high school days. Kaya sobrang nostalgic and ano na siya, parang staple na sa buhay ko. Sa buhay makeup ko. Ang ganda ng powder na to guys. Hindi siya pucho-pucho and ang perfect ng itsura sa skin. To bronze my face, ang gagamitin ko na lang is itong EB Advance Face Trio. This one, as you can see, old packaging pa and I feel like na face out na siya. Hindi ko sure ha. But ayun nga, since wala tayong option, eto na lang. And favorite ko naman to kaya, why not, diba? Sana soon mag-release ng Ever Bilena ng bronzer kasi diba, walang local brands na gumagawa nun. And of course, as always, ang gagawin natin is ilalagay natin siya sa outer what? Correct. Perimeter of the face. But anyway, like what I was saying kanina, sana ngayong 2022, may mga local brands na maglabas ng bronzer. Alam ko meron naman, but diba, sobrang limited kasi eh. We need more. Hindi pwede na. Kailangan marami tayong option. I forgot to let you know kung anong shade to guys, but this one is yung Fig Trio. Ayan. May isa pa nito yung mas bago dito kasi 2018 pa to guys. Oh my God. For sure expired na to guys. But I believe yung bago nito yung tawag is Baked Fig. Ito na lang nga kasi yung meron ako guys. So, diba? But grabe, even though expired na siya, ang ganda pa din ng effect sa skin. Sobrang saya ko na ginawa ko to guys kasi diba, ang sarap sa feeling nung nire-revisit yung mga products na ginagamit mo before. Memories bring back memories. Charot. For the eyes, ito yung gagamitin natin. This one is called the Ever Bilena Pro Rich Palette. And grabe guys, look at the new packaging. Definitely a lot better compared sa old packaging which is yung white kasi dito sa isang to mas nag-pop yung colors. Ayan o, diba, tignan nyo, mas maganda siyang tignan sa black. Gawa lang ako ng basic and quick glam guys para mabilis nyo magaya. And for transition, ito yung shade na gagamitin natin. It's powdery, same sa old formula. Actually, you know what, maglagay tayo ng loose powder kasi ayoko masira yung base ko. Again guys, simpleng eye makeup lang yung gagawin ko so huwag kayo masyado mag-expect. Anyway, ang gawin natin dito sa first color is ipop natin siya sa outer part. Tapos, i-build up lang natin yung color hanggang sa maging sobrang deep talaga ng kulay. And of course, konting blending sa outer para maging soft. And syempre, make sure na light-handed kayo guys kapag ka nagbe-blend. Using a smaller brush and the same color, ang gagawin naman natin this time is ipop-pop natin siya dito sa inner part. Bawasan natin ng konti kasi medyo napadami yung lagay ko. Tapos yan guys, ang gawin natin is i-blend lang natin siya ng slight. Tapos konting build up pa. Using a smaller brush, kunin naman natin tong burgundy shade. Tapos dito naman sa isang to guys, ilalagay lang natin siya directly sa pinaka-hollow ng ating crease. And of course, same lang sa inner corner, ipop-up lang natin siya on top. So this time ang gawin naman natin is kunin natin tong chocolate brown. And then, i-mix natin siya ng konti sa black. And same process kanina, ang gagawin natin is idadab lang natin muna siya on top before blending. Kumuha pa ako ng konting black. And of course, sa inner corner, let's add a little bit as well. And syempre, nasa sa inyo na guys kung ganong ka-intense or ka-soft. But personally, I feel like mas maganda siya kapag ka mas dark. Kaya ayan, lagay pa tayo ng konting black. Blending is key. Kuha tayo ng flat brush, tapos medyo basain natin. Then after that, i-pick up lang natin tong shade na to, yung burgundy na may shimmer. Tapos, ipop lang natin siya sa center. Balik tayo sa brush na merong black eyeshadow and medyo i-blend natin yung edge para maging soft. Lagay tayo ng transition color sa lower lashes. Basically, just applying lahat ng mga matte shades, guys. And also yung black shade, maglagay tayo ng konti dito sa corner para mag-connect yung nasa taas na eyeshadow tsaka nasa baba. Ito yung gagamitin ko for my waterline. This is the Ever Bilena All Day... Ang haba. Waterproof Matic Eyeliner in the shade nasira. Smoke. Meron siyang ano guys, sponge tip sa dulo, which is perfect pang smudge kapag ka naka-smoky. Retractable, which is of course amazing, and eto yung amount of product that you're getting. Ayan guys. Fairness, madami na din ha, especially kung sa waterline lang naman. I feel like this one will last you for quite some time. In fairness, mabilis siyang i-apply ha. Naglagay lang ako ng konti tapos patuyuin natin to see if smudge-proof ba siya. But again, the formula is very creamy, it's easy to glide, kaya hindi siya mahapde or masakit sa waterline. Nagsusmudge siya guys. Ayan, so please keep that in mind. Ito sana yung gagamitin ko today for blush, but unfortunately, nawala sa isip ko guys and nakapag-powder na ako. And dito sa isang to guys, sobrang happy ko sa bagong packaging kasi diba, ang laki ng in-improve. Kapag ka nakita mo siya sa stall or kaya sa mall, definitely talagang titignan mo siya. Compared before, definitely a lot better kasi diba yung una para siyang glossier. But I'm crossing my fingers na sana ngayong 2021, mag-add sila ng shades kasi diba, 4 lang yung shades na meron. Hopefully, magkaroon ng nude, something na medyo, you know, peachy. I mean, yung something na medyo nude naman, yung something na lighter, softer, kasi most of the shades na meron sila yung 4, parang parang leaning towards dark lahat. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko guys, yung Ever Bilena Bloom Blush in the shade Fig, which happens to be one of my favorite blushes, kaya sobrang perfect. Ganda ng formula nito guys, and pigmentation, kaya kung hindi nyo pa nasusubukan, ay highly recommend na i-check out nyo siya. Most especially atong shade na Fig. I mean, look at that. Diba? Ang perfect ng shade. To highlight, of course, ang gagamitin ko is my ultimate favorite highlighter from EB Advance, and that is itong Spotlight Highlight. And as you guys can see, this one as well, meron siyang bagong packaging. Same sa ibang pinakita ko kanina, color black na din siya. And ayan guys, this is how the new packaging looks like. Though I'm not gonna lie, it slightly reminds me of Ofra Cosmetics kasi diba, yung Ofra Cosmetics black yung pinaka-compact and transparent din yung pinaka-takip. Lagay lang tayo sa tip ng nose, sa bridge, of course, sa highest point ng ating cheek. Tapos guys, babalik lang ako dun sa brush na ginamit natin sa center ng lid. And ang gagawin ko is maglalagay ako ng konting spotlight sa center kasi medyo nakukulangan ako sa pagka-shimmery niya. Para lang gawing mas bongga yung pagka-spotlight ng eye makeup. Di ba, look at the eye makeup? Mas gumanda siya. Ito yung lipstick na meron tayo guys for today's video, and this one is the Ever Bilena Matte Lipstick. I have 3 shades and iswatch natin siya isa-isa. This one I think hindi bago yung packaging kasi parang nakita ko na yung photo niya and same lang sa dati. Ito yung complete swatches. So yung first one is Sexy Nude, second is Toast of New York, and yung last is si Dusk. And I think yung shade na gagamitin ko is a Toast of New York, but if hindi mag-work, doon na lang tayo sa deeper shade. Tsaka diba holiday makeup look naman to, so pasok yung dark na lipstick, burgundy. Honestly, not the biggest fan of the formula kasi ang dry. Yeah, I don't like the formula of this one. The color is nice. This is Toast of New York. But ayun nga, yung formula niya is too dry for my liking. And feeling ko hindi match sa eye makeup, so patungan natin ng mas dark. Feeling ko this one, mas okay siya dito sa eye makeup. Diba? Sino ka dyan? Charot. Hopefully you guys like how this turned out because ako sobrang gusto ko siya guys. Definitely sobrang perfect for holiday season kasi diba, very yung vibes niya. Cranberry, wine vibes, burgundy, sobrang sexy, and ang ganda, definitely eye-catching. Eto nga pala yung prices ng giveaway natin. Siguro maglalagay na lang din ako ng photo para makita nyo, but ayan, as you can see, madami-dami siya. To join, of course, all you have to do is i-follow yung mechanics na nakalagay sa screen. Anyway guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.